Welcome. In this video, I'm going to explain to you how does Skyscanner stack up against other popular travel booking apps, okay? If you're hunting for cheap flights, the best hotels, or full travel packages, well, stay tuned. We're breaking down everything you need to know. Okay, so first up, a quick overview. Skyscanner right here, okay, is only a travel search engine, okay? This is not a booking platform itself, like any of these right here. Okay, it only compares prices across hundreds of airlines, online travel agencies, and booking sites to help you find the best deal. From flights and hotels to car rentals. Do let me know in the comments below if you'd like to see or hear a video where we compare Skyscanner to maybe a trip.com or Skyscanner to Traveloka or to Hopper right here, Expedia, or even this one, CheapAware, okay? Do let us know so we can make a video about it. Now let's just go ahead and talk about the Skyscanner's biggest strength. You know, it often finds cheaper deals than traditional apps, especially on international routes and with low-cost carriers. But it's not always the final price. Some result comes from third-party sites, all right? If you don't know what I meant, I'm going to show you right here. I'm going to select a flight right here. I'm going to go ahead and select one. Just a random one. Book now. As you can see, it's going to open up another tab. And this one is really good because this one is a legitimate airline right here. So another one, as you can see, we have it from MyTrip, Gatogate, Trip.com, Agoda. These are third-party sites, okay? For example, MyTrip right here, as you can see, all right? The Philippine Airlines right here will be used as well as your provider. So basically, these sites right here are mostly third-party sites. Okay, just a quick note. Always compare Skyscanner's fare to the airline's official website to make sure you're not getting hidden cost. Now going back, Skyscanner right here lets you set price alerts so you get notified when fares drop. Okay, we do have a separate video for that. Just go ahead and look it up in the channel. All right, going back, it also has a super handy everywhere search. All right, if you haven't noticed, for example, right here, as you can see, they have Explore Everywhere and Multi-City Search, like so. Again, this is to find the cheapest destination from your location. It's perfect for budget travelers who are flexible with where and when to go, okay? Also, Skyscanner right here got hotel booking and car rentals. Although this is not its strongest feature, but convenient to have in an app, all right? Or here in the website. Now, if you want the cheapest flights, flexible destinations, and don't mind comparing options before booking, well, Skyscanner is an incredible tool. But if you're after bundles, advanced price predictions, or a more secure booking experience, well, you might want to look elsewhere, okay? So, what's your go-to app for booking flights or planning trips? Please drop your favorite in the comments. And also, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more such videos, and I'll see you in the next one.